In today's video, I'm going to show you how to roast a chicken. Very simple way. You know, nothing fancy. Here I have a medium-sized chicken. My seasoning is some all-purpose, some paprika, some salt, some cracked black pepper. Simple as that. And here I just have some onion, which I find in the fridge, bay leaf, garlic, bit of ginger. It's going to be simple as that. So we're going to keep it simple today and basically let our sauce or jus do the work. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to sprinkle some oil over this just for the seasoning to stick on it. It's as simple as that. We're just going to keep it very simple and basic. We're going to season inside here. Also spin him over. So we're going to make sure season catch all over. So next up, you know, your onion and stuff, whatever herbs you have and you fancy at that time, just utilize it. Sometimes cooking, you have to make it yours. You know, don't follow anybody, just make it yours. Create your own dish, your own flavor. Now, if you want, you can put them together like this. You know, I want mine to spread out like this. So be generous with the season, because once it's going in the oven, what's going to happen is, you know, you're going to lose some of it anyway. And then we're going to make a lovely sauce to go with this. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to push it straight in the oven.